Welcome back again, students. Today I am going to do worksheet 3, chapter 2, worksheet 3. In this chapter we will learn about the properties of multiplication on rational numbers. Again, that same as that worksheet 1 and worksheet 2, that commutative law, associative law, all this. Here also the same thing, like multiplication holds the commutative law for rational numbers. Like by giving an example I can explain you. X into y equals to y into x. Simply if I take the two numbers 5 and 6, if we multiply, what value will get? 30. So again 6 into 5, this also gives 30. So that means if we interchange their places, still the value it gives the same value. That means we can say multiplication holds the commutative law for rational numbers. This is property number 1. Now property number 2. Here it is told product remains same even when we change the grouping of the rational numbers. Means there are three numbers, rational number I am taking, x, y, z. Okay. So first if we product them, now grouping means first I am grouping this number, means x into that within bracket y into z, and if I take again the three rational numbers x, y, z, now this time I am grouping this x and y, so it gives the same value. Like I am giving an example, if I take 1, 2, 3, see though it is an integer number but as well as it is a rational number also, calculation will be more easier, so that's why I am giving this kind of example. So 1 into 2 into 3, this within bracket, and there 1 into 2 into 3. So this gives 1 into 2, 3 is a 6, that means 6, 1, 2 is a 2 into 3, it gives 6. So you can see both sides give same value. That means we can say multiplication holds the associative law also. Property number 3 is told product of a rational number and 0 is 0. Means if you multiplied any rational number, it may be 0 or non-zero number. If you multiplied with 0, you always get 0. Means x into 0 or 0 into x, you always, it gives always 0. Suppose 5 into 6 is a rational number. If we multiply it by 0, you will get 0. Or suppose minus 7 into 6, if you multiply it by 0, you get 0. So that means if we multiplied any number, any rational number with 0, we always get 0. Remember this one. Now property number 4. It is told 1 multiplied by any rational number is the rational number itself. That means x is the rational number, any rational number other than 0. Definitely here x not equals to 0. Okay. If you take 0, that means it will applicable here property number 3. So but other than 0, if we take any rational number and you multiply it by 1, you will get the number itself. Whatever the number is there, you will get that number back. That means, do you remember for addition I have done no, x plus 0, you will get the number itself. When this kind of thing happen, no, we will say this number is a identity number. So for addition, because in between what sign over there? Plus. So for addition 0 is the identity. So clearly you can see there, if you multiply it by 1, you will get the number itself. So that means here we can say that 1 is the identity element. Remember this one, that 0 is the identity element for addition and 1 is the identity element for multiplication. Okay. Now property number 5. Here it is told if x, y and z are three rational numbers, then x into y plus z, x into y plus z equals to x into y, in between what sign? Plus, x into z, this one. This is called distributive law. Suppose in between minus sign over there, like x into y minus z, you will get x into y minus x into z. Simply you can see that x into y first, then x into z, and in between whatever the sign you will write over there. Okay. Here plus, so plus. These are called distributive properties or distributive law. So that's it. Let's start the worksheet 3. So let's solve this. That first one given 1-2 number question, minus 7 by 4 by 2 by 3. What to do? Multiply and express the result as a rational number in the standard form. The standard form we have done in chapter 1. So I think you all remember. If you forgot this, what is standard form, please check the playlist class 7. The name of the playlist is class 7. You can check over there, or in the description you can get it. So that you have to find the multi product. So minus 7 by 4, in place of by you have to write product 2 by 3. Now what to do? First we have to now what we have to do actually, multiplication. So same means numerator or denominator we have to multiply. You cannot divide it. Same means the same thing you have to do. What they have asked? Into. So same means the same thing, means the product you have to do. And like numerator denominators, maybe it is the first numerator of the second denominator or the first denominator of the second numerator. You also, or that numerator denominator, that also you have to check that is there any common factor or not. So first we can see that 2 and 4, there is a common factor, that is 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now you cannot cancel anything. So as I have always told that here no sign means plus, okay, and this is, that means, see clearly you can see that this is a positive rational number and this is negative rational number. So plus, first do the calculation of the sign. So minus plus minus, first झमेला हटाओ, marks बचाओ. Always I say, मजाक में हम क्या देते हैं, minus, that minus 7 1s are 7 and that 2 3s are 6. So same thing you have to multiply. So that is minus 7 by 6. Again minus 14 by 9 into minus 3 upon 7. See student, again you can cancel. Before that as I always told that minus and there is also minus sign. So put the bracket and minus plus, that means झमेला हटाओ. So one can cancel like this also, okay. झमेला हटाओ, marks बचाओ. So 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. See, I think you have understood that denominator numerator, if is there any common factor, you have to cancel them. So 2 1s are 2, divide 3 1s are 3. So plus minus cancel, that is plus sign over there. So 2 by 3 is the answer. Now next, 7 by minus 15 by 63. Again you can see there is a minus sign, there is nothing means plus. So first झमेला हटाओ, that means plus minus, marks बचाओ. So 7 1s are 7, because 7 can be written as 7 by 1. We can 9 and 15 also cancel. There is a common factor, that is 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Minus sign already I have written over there. Minus, because plus minus झमेला हटाओ, marks बचाओ. So 5 1s are 5, 3 1s are 3. So minus 5 by 3 is the answer. I think you can do the rest. Question number 2. Find the following values of x and y. Some values are given, x and y. Verify x into y equals to y into x. We have to verify x into y is equal to y into x. That means commutative law. So first left hand side, what to write? X into y. So in place of x we have to put the value of x, that is minus 2 by 7 into, what is the value of y? 5 by 8. Now you can see this can be cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 and 5, and nothing can be cancelled. Now झमेला हटाओ, minus plus minus, now 5 1s are 5, 7 4s are 28 RHS. So y into x, that value also I have to find. Now y means 5 by 8 into minus 2 by 7. Be careful, they are minus sign, so put the bracket. Next 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now minus nothing sign means plus, minus plus minus, झमेला हटाओ, marks बचाओ. So 5 ones are 5, 4 sevens are 28. So you can see this is also minus 5 by 28, there is also minus 5 by 28, that means they are equal. So one can write therefore x into y equals to y into x, verified. Now next, again the same, the value given. So left hand side x into y equals to minus 17 by 48 into, be careful, minus, this is also minus sign. So again put the bracket, 96 by 51, two sign cannot write together. So 17 ones are 17, 17 threes are 51, and I can cancel this directly. 48 twos are 96, or you can multiply cancel by 12, you will get the same way. That one, that is 2s are. Now first what to do, झमेला हटाओ, minus minus plus. So झमेला हट गया, फिर what to do, 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3. So 2 by 3 is the value of left hand side. Now right hand side, again that y into x equals to, what's the value of y? 96 by 51. Next into minus 17 by 48. Again you can see that minus and into sign. So bracket equals to minus minus plus, झमेला हटाओ. So again 2 by 3, this is also 2 by 3. Actually very easy, you can do it, the raised to sum, you can do it in your own. Now question number 3, it is told for the following values of x, y, z, find the product of x into y within bracket into z and x into y into z. Like that means we have to find the value of x into y, that is within bracket, into z, and there that equals to x into y into z. This value I have to find. They are equal, I have to show. So this one, you know, this one left hand side and that one right hand side. So let's do the left hand side first. And students, I have to say one thing here, that many of the students, they I don't know why, from where they are, they learn all these things, they are giving equal sign there. Means like this, then putting the value of 4 into 4 by 7 into 3 by 8 into 16 by 5 equals to, then again they are writing this way, means minus 4 by 7 into 3, then bracket 3 by 8 3 by 8 into, I have seen many of the students, they are doing like this, this equals to this equals to this, again they are doing this calculation together. No, this is not right. You have to verify. You cannot write that left hand side equals to, means this equals to this, then again putting the value this equals to this. You don't know. You have to verify this. That means first calculate, that means there is a line you have to draw, or first do this calculation, then at the below do the right hand side, okay, in your copy. So what to do, that as I have told always, that minus minus plus, झमेला हटाओ first. Any number can be cancelled, yes, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So nothing can be cancelled now. Now 3 by 14 into 16 by 5. Now these two can be cancelled. 7s are 8. 24 and that is 35. So the left hand side value is 24 by 35. Now do the right hand side. This is, see, you whenever you are doing the multiplication, no, you have to keep these two things in your mind, that either number or the sign of the number may be minus, means negative, or plus, means positive. Either it is negative or positive. So no sign means it is positive and that one negative. So first झमेला हटाओ, minus plus minus, okay. Now any number can be cancelled, this can be cancelled. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are. So minus minus plus, first झमेला हटाओ. Next, so now 4 6 are 24 and 3 5s are 35. So right hand side is 24 by 35 and left hand side is also 24 by 35, you can see. So that means left hand side and right hand side both values are same. So here we can write left hand side equals to right hand side verified. That's it for today. Because this video is becomes lengthy now, so today now I have done up to question number 3, worksheet 3, question number 3. In my next part I'll do the question number 4 onwards. Okay, so तब तक के लिए goodbye.